So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and today's video is all about skincare. Now I am super excited because I do love to do skincare type of videos, and this video is also way overdue, so I do apologize for the lateness. But a company by the name of DEMINUAGE, I think that's how you pronounce it, I'm not too sure, but they reached out to me a while back and asked me to do an unboxing slash first impressions video for them and for you guys. Now they sent over their quick pour NANOPEN prime rejuvenation and repair kit. So everything is in this little baggie, so I will be showing you everything that they sent me, and of course I will be demonstrating how to use everything as well. Now I also have a code for you guys to use at checkout in case you are interested in purchasing products from DEMINUAGE. So make sure you guys check the description box below, and of course towards the end of the video where I will let you guys know what my code is. But if you are interested in hearing a little bit more about DEMINUAGE and how to use this little kit, then keep watching. So I am looking at my phone because I want to try my best not to leave anything out. So they are skincare obsessed and dedicated to innovating the industry through nanotechnology. Our product line is first of its kind, which is why we are reaching out to beauty insiders like yourself to be the first to experience. So I am one of the first to get a chance to try out this kit. Now the direct link that they sent me to this kit is not working. I did email them and ask them to resend me the link, so hopefully they do. If not, of course the main direct link to the website will be down below in the description box for you guys. All right, so real quick, I am looking at the website. So I think the kit that they sent me is the quick pour anti-aging rejuvenation and repair NANOPEN device kit. I think that might be the same one, not too sure, but it looks about the same. We'll definitely see. I'm not too sure. All right, so why DEMINUAGE? DEMINUAGE nano chips offer more effectiveness thanks to ability to provide 10 times, 20 times absorption. Powered by quick pour nanotechnology with 42 global patents, DEMINUAGE carries a line of non-invasive skincare solutions used at med spas and at home. Compared to traditional microneedling, the micropen is non-invasive. There's no bleeding, no downtime. You may do it on your own in the comfort of your own home. In just 30 minutes after using DEMINUAGE, you can wear makeup and continue your normal activities. And then with DEMINUAGE NANOPEN and nano chips, you can use any of your trusted skincare products. DEMINUAGE serums are also tested to work safely and effectively on different types of skin: dry, oily, different skin tones, and even sensitive skin. Alright, and they do have another NANOPEN, but I think I have the regular one. Now it's nighttime. I just washed my face, so I didn't put any moisturizer on or anything. So alright, so here's how the baggie looks. It says DEMINUAGE skincare, real cute. And in here they give me a little product registration card that I can register my product at. And then this little brochure says boost your inner glow, and it pretty much shows, you know, for first time use, how to open it and all that stuff. Daily booster, 3 steps. Well, no, actually it's about 7 steps, so it's showing me how to use it, so definitely gonna look at that. So in the baggie they sent me 2 boxes of their 5 times daily nano chips used daily to gently condition the skin. So I have 2 of these. Then I have the booster, the 5 times booster nano chips, used 1 to 2 times weekly for a deep boost. And then in this little baggie, which is cute, is the NANOPEN. So here's how the NANOPEN looks, and they do provide a battery. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it so I can put the battery in here. So it looks like it's pretty easy. So y'all can see that this is where you push it and turn it on, so I will demonstrate that for you guys. So I want to make sure I'm doing this correctly. So I'm going to go ahead and look at this little brochure. So it says, for first use, open the battery compartment by unscrewing the middle portion of the NANOPEN. Install one AAA battery in the direction indicated above. So I already did that. So 2, begin with freshly washed skin. So I did inform you guys that I just washed my face. So 3, remove a new nano chip cartridge from its sealed bag. So daily nano chip, use daily with serum of your choice. So I need to go get some serum. All right, so this is how the daily nano chip looks. So it says screw the nano chip cartridge into the NANOPEN with a nano chip side facing outward. So this is how it should look. Then it says to use daily nano chip with your own serum, apply the serum evenly to your face or the area you'd like to focus on. We're gonna go ahead and use my Neutrogena Hydro Boost serum, and it's not a lot in here, so I'm just gonna, I need to get some more. Okay, all right, so now it says press the button located at the bottom of the NANOPEN to turn on. So the button is down here. And then it says hold the NANOPEN perpendicular to the face and gently begin sliding the nano chip onto the skin, starting from inside to outside and bottom to top. Do not slide the NANOPEN onto the same surface more than 3 times. Continue until the desired area has been treated. So let's see. I'm nervous. I assume I'm doing it correctly. Not too sure how long you're supposed to do it. It really doesn't say. Then it says turn off by once again pressing the bottom button. Unscrew and dispose of the used nano chip cartridge. Do not reuse nano chip cartridge. Clean the pen using a damp cloth. Do not use harsh chemicals or alcohol. All right, so that was actually kind of a, you know, it was kind of a cool experience right there. That's something real different from me. Like, I don't, you know, use those type of things. So I might see how it really, you know, really works. All right, so I have the NANOPEN prime. So with the daily nano chips, the skin absorption improvement is light, and of course you use it, the recommended use frequency is daily, and then with the booster that they sent me is moderate skin absorption improvement, and it's 1 to 2 times weekly that you need to use it. That wasn't bad. I would have to use it some more to actually see, you know, how it is. It says optimizing your skin routine by reducing wrinkles, dark spots, age spots, sunspots within just 6 to 8 weeks. After 1 month of using this customized kit, you'll see the benefits of a comfortable, effective, effortless skin care journey. So this was interesting, very interesting. I would have to use the deep boost another time, but I wanted to just use the daily one just to see how that is. But I am really glad that they provided the instructions in here. They do have them online, but I'm glad that they went ahead and do this so I could just look at the paper. Very simple instructions. Simple, straight to the point, easy. So I do want to thank DEMINUAGE for reaching out to me and asking me to review this product. I really do appreciate it. First impression, I like it. It's different. Of course, right now I don't see a difference because this is my first time using it, so I would have to use the daily boosters daily, of course, to get the feel of it and see if I actually see any type of improvement. So if I can stay consistent with using this daily, I can probably update you guys later on to let you guys know how the product has been working for me, if I see a change and all that stuff. So if you guys want to see an updated video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, or of course comment down below and let me know. But as I stated in the intro, I do have a code for you guys to use, so I will leave it in the description box below, and I will also pin it in the comments. So the code for you guys to use to save you some points is right here, Lindsay15. So make sure you guys use that code at checkout if you decide to purchase this kit or anything else from DEMINUAGE website. But that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have ever heard of this company, or even if you have used their kits, anything, let me know down below in the comments. Of course, if you guys have any questions, I will try my best to answer them for you, so go ahead and leave them in the comments below. But make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss an upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you in my next one.